Merry Christmas. It is, what day is it?
24th.
And that is Christmas Eve. It's our last day of Advent calendars. So we're gonna start the Merry Mary, and we got only the big one left. I'm thinking it's a big tree in the middle. Yeah, we have to actually put this one together.
This is concerning. We're missing one right here.
We'll have to look and see. Never counted the spots, but there weren't any empty ones. So there we got the middle of the Merry Mary. That's it.
That is it, folks.
So there you go with the Merry Mary marching band scene.
Looks like we're just missing
We'll
one.
have to count them and see. All right, so we checked, and we weren't missing one. There was an extra spot. There's 24 slots in the middle. I'm being told to get around her, so I just did.
Day 20. Well, there's a.
We actually have a 25 on that one, so we'll just open up the last two.
I think we already opened it up.
Oh, it's cat treats.
Actually,
we
there is
decided
day
we're
20.
not gonna
This
get
is
the
day
cat
25.
Yep. So there's a big one for day 25, and it's just a whole bunch of cat treats. They're all stars, though. So the cats didn't really like the Trader Joe's cat treats, so we probably won't do that one next year.
Williams-Sonoma, it's the last one. We won't be doing Williams-Sonoma again, either.
We're trying to whittle it down for next year. I think we've picked about 4 that we probably won't do again. Not that we didn't enjoy them, but we like the others better. And that was one that we didn't have on the back, so we don't know what that one is. All right.
Shortbread.
Shortbreads, even though they're all shortbreads, I think I did enjoy that one.
I don't think we'll do it again. Here's day 24.
I think instead we may just get the shortbreads because they have all kinds of tins and some really neat
I
ways
just
of
thought
doing
it would have been fun with your scotches at night.
And it was. I enjoyed it. You liked some of them too. So it's a long shortbread. Or a short long bread. I'm not sure.
And then we have
The Lindt chocolate one, we like the truffles a lot better than the mix.
Ooh, this is gonna be a big one.
Oh, we got a Père Noël, Father Christmas, and it just says Santa. We'll go with Père Noël. All right.
Sugar Fina we will get again.
We will definitely do Sugar Fina again. We like the Sugar Fina. Oh, this one's got a special color.
Oh, and it's little, I bet it's Christmas tree cookie donut-y things.
I didn't get that on the camera, so let's do that.
Oh, it's Santa's Donuts.
There we go.
Santa's
So
Donuts.
we're supposed to put those out for Santa tonight, I'm sure.
Well, she's right there.
And then we got the
Okay.
24th, which is probably a big deal on this one. This is our nativity scene. The 24th is what?
It's baby Jesus.
It's baby Jesus, of course.
And we will put him in the manger.
I hope that's not any indication of the end of the year that the manger fell apart.
All right, day 20. I have a day 25.
You're gonna do both today?
No, not this special one. I've spent my morning making the pens.
You made a whole bunch of pens because you had things to catch up on.
Because I work.
Since you went up to Toledo, you kind of got behind, didn't you?
Yeah, Yuletide. And it is a standard ink.
Yuletide, I'm guessing, is going to be a green.
I can show you what I did with my ink process.
You do that while I'm getting the Scotch whiskey one. And so there are only 24 of these. I'm doing this by myself, just shooting out to get her inks. So bear with me. Camera work will be worse than usual. See how I did that? I just plopped it out. And we've got that boutique whiskey company. It's a Speyside, batch number 1, 24-year-old. Wow. So a 24-year-old on the 24th of December. That's one I'll have for Christmas Eve. That'll be special.
All right, so here's what I've done with all of my inks. I've made pens with all of them. I've actually labeled the days that they are. And I've actually done a, what's this called? Swatch.
Kind of a legend of everything that's
So
that
Here's all the inks that are part of this advent calendar. And I would do this advent calendar again. So, of course, I patterned, you know.
Be nice if they're different inks next time.
So I've got 2 more inks to make pens, and I've got 2 more pens to make.
All right. So I may post a little bit showing what the last ink is, because she's going to open that up on Christmas Day. We will fix the manger and get a shot of that in there. But other than that, those are our advent calendars for 2021. We had a great time doing them. It's very festive. I'm going to throw in some more decorations around the house, especially outside.
You might throw in what he cooked for dinner tomorrow, too. I don't know.
Maybe. We'll see. But thank you for joining us, and
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.